Hi everyone, this is Dr. Katie from Scribenote, and today I want to take you through Scribenote's newest feature, Scribe Like Me. If you've ever used Scribenote in the past, or you've seen a demo, you know that we have these really amazing default record types. But there's a lot of people who want their own preferences reflected in their note. So, Scribenote has come out with a new, very robust, very intelligent feature called Scribe Like Me, making Scribenote set exactly to your preference and what you want in your medical record. So let's get to it. So you go over here into the right hand corner, hit the drop down, and select Adaptive Templates. Now at the top, we click this button, New Adaptive Template. We must give it a title before we can save it. So we're just going to call this Demo Template. What do each of these formatting styles mean? So for SOAP, we have the ability to create a medical record with 4 categories: subjective, objective, assessment, and plan. We can either upload a PDF, and Scribenote will separate the text into the 4 sections, or we can create a note from scratch. But the point of this SOAP versus freeform is when you are going to transfer your medical record into the practice management software, if you have it in these 4 boxes and you have a system like Avamark or EasyVet with multiple text boxes, then each of these will be saved in the separate boxes, so it will be much easier to transfer over. Let's just show you an upload of a template. So I'm just going to hit upload here, upload my template, and it'll take just a second for it to extract text from my PDF. So if you have a template that you have saved as a document, you can go ahead and upload it here. All of these sections are able to be edited. So once I put this in, if I don't like some of this or if I want to add anything, I can. As I scroll down, we see instructions per line. So we've got our custom defaults here that will be overwritten, assessment and plan. And then down here at the bottom, we can use preferences. So any preferences that you can think of. These are just some examples: medical terminology, point form, capitalize, abnormals, etc. But you can pretty much do anything you can think of here. That's pretty much it for SOAP. Now what we'll do is, I'll just hit this from scratch. We're going to switch over. It should have deleted the rest. So again, we can go in and type. So diet, history, etc. Or you can use one of our defaults and then edit it from there. Now we also have freeform. So freeform basically just means one text box. So this you could use for your client summaries, phone call discussions, etc. Or you can make any type of record in here that you'd like. But again, just remember that this will copy as one blurb when you transfer it over to your practice management software. The next part to this is basics part 2. If you have more questions or want to see how to use the chips, that's what we'll see in that video.